In the last couple of hours, Bitcoin Evs has celebrated the successful launch of its Genesis hard fork. This is set to make the Bitcoin Evs blockchain unbanned. With faster speeds and better utility, this will make Bees stronger. And moreover, the blockchain is set to go back to Bitcoin's original design, which has been termed as Satoshi Vision by Bees supporters. Bitcoin Evs, a new era begins. Bitcoin Evs community has been celebrating the successful launch, hailing it as a new beginning for Bitcoin Evs and the return of Bitcoin to its original design. The new protocols will see Bees resemble Bitcoin as was in Satoshi Nakamoto's original white paper. A historic moment in block 620,539 that confirmed new Sharp Genesis rules as valid on Sharp Bitcoin's Sharp Bees block mined by @Tall blockchain and message delivered by @Shadows for @Bitcoin's team. It's a good night from Team Evs. And a new dawn for Bitcoin. Pic Twitter.com/UPCapes Jimmy Nguyen @JimmyHuanMedia, February 4, 2020. With the development, the project has restored the original protocol on Bitcoin and ensured it is locked. This is one top influencer and Bees supporter notes, ensures builders can develop on top of the blockchain without worrying about changes. Enjoy crypto betting and casino on 1xBit. Register with the promo code COIN and get 125% on your first deposit. While BX and Beach technocrats continue to complicate and tinker with the protocol, Bees just restored the original Bitcoin protocol and locked it down so it stays that way forever. Now developers can build on top of Bees without worrying about protocol changes breaking their app. $family @Kevin_fam, February 4, 2020. In the latest development, scaling will be a key aspect of the new protocol. By removing block limits the blockchain. You can read full post on Cryptophans News, link available in text below.